This is a high-end desktop system that immediately signals what it's built for the moment you look at the specs. Serious performance without compromise. At its core, this machine is powered by a next-generation processor designed for demanding workloads. It handles modern gaming, productivity tasks, and intensive multitasking with ease. Whether you're running high FPS competitive titles or working on heavy creative projects, the system stays responsive and stable under pressure. Paired with this processing power is a high-performance graphics unit designed for modern gaming demands. This GPU is built to handle visually intensive games with smooth frame rates and strong graphical fidelity. From detailed open-world environments to fast-paced multiplayer matches, performance remains consistent even when settings are pushed high. One of the standout features of this build is its memory configuration. With 32 gigabytes of high-speed DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz, multitasking becomes seamless. Switching between applications, running background processes, or working on large creative files feels instant. There's no lag in workflow, no bottlenecks, just fluid system performance. Storage is equally impressive with a large 2 TB solid-state drive. This provides both speed and capacity, allowing fast boot times, quick game loading, and enough space for large game libraries, video projects, and software installations. It eliminates the constant need to manage storage space, which is a major advantage for power users. Thermal management is handled by an advanced 360mm liquid cooling system. This ensures the system remains stable even during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Instead of throttling performance under heat, the system maintains consistent output while keeping temperatures under control. This is essential for long-term reliability and sustained performance. From a design perspective, the build follows a clean and modern gaming aesthetic. It balances performance and visual appeal without going over the top. Airflow is optimized for cooling efficiency, and the internal layout is structured for long-term usability and easy maintenance. It fits well in both gaming setups and professional environments. What makes this system more future-focused is its readiness for evolving computing demands. With increasing integration of AI-assisted tools in gaming, editing, and productivity software, this system is built to handle next-generation workloads. That means it's not just relevant today, it's designed to stay relevant as software requirements continue to grow. In real-world gaming performance, the experience is smooth and consistent. High frame rates, stable rendering, and reduced stuttering make gameplay feel responsive and immersive. Whether you're playing competitive esports titles or cinematic AAA games, the system delivers a strong and reliable experience across the board. For content creators, this setup offers a noticeable performance advantage. Video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming workflows benefit from the combination of powerful CPU performance, fast RAM, and high-speed storage. Render times are reduced, previews run smoothly, and multitasking between creative tools feels effortless. Another key advantage is system balance. Every component is matched to avoid performance bottlenecks. The processor, GPU, memory, and storage work together efficiently, ensuring that no single part holds the system back. This balanced architecture is what makes the overall experience feel premium and optimized. Upgrade flexibility is also an important factor. This type of desktop system is designed with future expansion in mind, allowing users to upgrade storage or memory as needs grow. That extends the lifespan of the system and protects your investment over time. Overall, this desktop is designed for users who want a complete high-performance solution without needing to build a system from scratch. It delivers strong gaming performance, efficient multitasking, and future-ready capabilities in a single package. For anyone looking to step into high-end gaming or upgrade to a powerful all-in-one performance machine, this system delivers a strong combination of speed, stability, and long-term usability.